You know balls when they get hot? It was like that. I want to start off not so much with a tip necessarily, but more of a conversation with you guys. Whether you're an established streamer or not, there was a question that came across my desk, so to speak, and it was a question about when is a good time for me to raid somebody. And so I thought I would bring it to you guys because I'm not an expert at this. I just know what works for me and what might not work for me. So here's my thought about raiding somebody else on Twitch. It is the thing you do. Although there are sub communities within Twitch, there's the One Guild, you know, there's the Shadow Pack Gaming, there's all these other communities, the Uwu communities and everything like that. That is awesome. But we are all part of the streaming Twitch community. And what really combines us all together is that we are showing support for other people. Can we all agree on that? Let's be honest, in hopes they show support back to you. You hope that they show some support back to you.
One enemy remaining.
Oh, this was CJ doing some Valo.
Attackers win.
I mean, these are other ways that you can show support. You can do shout outs to people live on stream and things of that nature. But raiding effectively brings your existing live audience to somebody else. That is the wholesome purpose of raiding, is to cultivate that community for people that you might already know. Say, oh shit, Chai's here. I thought, oh yeah, what's going on, Chai? Like, yeah, I've been here hanging out with Quinn. That's great to see you guys, and blah, 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 blah. That's one point. The other point is making new friends, right? So is there ever a time you don't raid? And I'm not looking for the excuse of, oh, I just forgot. Because that is a valid excuse, and we have all forgotten. I've forgotten multiple times. But that's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for, I'm done streaming. I'm not going to raid anybody. Is there a good reason why not to? Because I was talking with a colleague of mine, and their point of view was this. He said, if I have only one person watching, honestly, that one person is probably me, because I have my stream up on a separate monitor so I can monitor chat and all that other stuff. So I'm not going to raid anybody because it seems like I'm just looking for a shout out. It seems that I'm just looking to be noticed. And to that, I say, yes. Yes, you are. You are 100% looking to be noticed. Let's be honest, folks. If you're not looking to be noticed, you wouldn't be doing this. It is okay that there is a small degree within inside you that is slightly narcissistic to say, I really enjoy what I'm doing, and I want to share that with all of you. And I think I'm good. I have one person watching. It could be my mom, or it could be my fiance, or it even could be me. But I want to go find somebody else around the same level as I am, show them some support, and in hopes we could maybe cultivate a streaming partnership or a streaming friendship. They invite me into their community, or I invite them into mine, and boom, there you go. So my whole thing is this: if you have a way to really quickly find the people that you want to raid, continue doing that methodology. That's going to continue working. The hard thing is finding people that you don't know. The hard thing is finding people that you're like, oh, nobody that I know is on. What do I do? And here's the answer that I usually go for. You have to prep it. You do have to prep it. And prepping it is before you end the stream, 10 minutes before you end the stream, let your audience know, hey guys, it's 4 a.m. I have work at 6. I think I'm going to end the stream. Who should I raid? Put it in the chat. Who should I raid? Who's streaming right now? You know, somebody who's not very big. If you have an active audience, I'm sure one of them knows at least one, maybe two people that would fully appreciate a raid. And they would still appreciate a raid of 1 or 2 people. Think of yourself. If you were put into the in the shoes of someone that's streaming and you saw a raid come across your OBS screen and all your other alerts and it was just 1 viewer, or you got hosted by somebody with 0 viewers, I genuinely try to look at it and just say, hey, that's a positive thing because they took the time. They did the keybinds, they did the buttons to host me, to come and raid me. And that's freaking awesome. Even if it's just one person, even if it's just them, and that's it. They came into my chat. And I feel like no matter what your number is, the kind of attitude about streaming, specifically with raiding, if you're not going to raid because you don't have enough numbers, maybe that's why you don't have enough numbers, because you're not raiding. You're not setting the precedent for yourself. You're not setting the habit for yourself that will, through time and just through those actions, will get people to come back and follow you and possibly start to build up that community for you. So I hope like just that kind of metaphysical ideology of why you should raid at all times is a good idea. I hope that helps. Because I've definitely been in those situations where I've scrolled through like 50 people that are live. I'm like, I don't want to raid any of these people. What the hell do I do now? Oh shit, I can just ask you guys.
Heart.